Hi, welcome back to my channel. So we are going back from college to hostel, so you can see the sky looks really beautiful that day. So we actually finished our record work, so we thought we'll go visit the famous Nataraja temple. So we're walking towards the temple. So it's just some 10 to 15 minutes from our hostel, and it was raining, so that's why we took a little longer to reach there. So you can see the temple, right? It's right there. So yeah, we've almost reached the temple. So yeah, actually that like maybe because the temple is like really famous, like there's a lot of people inside, and there's some other rituals also going on, so maybe to take part in that as well. So you can see the entrance is so big and it's built so nicely. Like I really like to visit all these places. Like, see, look how nice it looks, the construction. So that's one of the gopuram. So I got to know there will be 4 gopuram for every temple. So yeah, this is how it looks. Looks so nice, and now we are entering another part of the temple. So yeah, Vaidegi is saying you hi. And yeah, so actually there was no photos or videos allowed inside, so I was like hiding, and I took like little shots from few places because they would just scold if they see you with the cameras on. So yeah, this is how it looks, and you can see the ceiling, it's painted with a lot of stories. So she's explaining me what is it about. And yeah, we're going to the other side of the temple. So it's really very big, like so much space. So we actually went fast because like it was already late after college. After 6 we went there, no? So we have to rush back to hostel as well, right? So yeah, this is another gopuram. Actually, we could see all this gopuram from our college itself because it's so tall. So yeah, we're walking. So now we got actually the night view of the temple. We couldn't come during the daytime because we were held up. It was actually raining and it was going to rain heavier. We had to actually rush back fast. So yeah, now we are entering the other side of the temple. So again, you can see the ceiling with a lot of paintings. So everything has a story behind those pictures, and yeah. So this is how the temple looks during the daytime. It's a picture sent by one of my friend. So this is how big the temple looks. And this is my most favorite place in temple, where there's water and it's surrounded by a lot of stairs. Actually, it will look really good during the daytime. Now we are out of the temple, so we're going to Sarvanabavan, so to eat something good. So after eating hostel food, our taste buds are dead, so we thought we'll eat some good food. So yeah, so our food is here, and then she has ordered some biryani. So after that we are rushing back to hostel because it was raining heavily and we had to reach there before it's late. So this is about the vlog. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.